arbitrationagreements.org. Today we are diving into the world of commercial mediation. And guess what? You're in for a treat because it's so much more than just suits and ties debating over a table. Before we get started, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save your business a great deal of time and money. First things first, what exactly is commercial mediation? It's a voluntary process where a neutral third person, the mediator, helps two or more parties to resolve a dispute that's related to their business dealings. Now, this is not about deciding who's right or wrong. No. The mediator is there to facilitate a conversation and help the parties find a solution that works for everyone. You might wonder, why would businesses even consider mediation? Well, let's sprinkle in some statistics here to quench that thirst for knowledge. A whopping 80% of commercial disputes that undergo mediation end up with a successful resolution. That's right, 80%. That means less time in court, fewer legal fees, and more time focusing on what businesses do best, their work. But there's more. Did you know that about 90% of parties who opted for mediation found the process to be good or excellent? That's a big thumbs up to the effectiveness of mediation in keeping relationships intact. Now, commercial mediation is not just about big corporations. Small businesses, partnerships, and even individual entrepreneurs can benefit from it. Whether it's a dispute about contracts, partnerships, or intellectual property, mediation offers a confidential, flexible, and often quicker path to resolution than heading to court. Remember, commercial mediation is like having a conversation guided by a pro, where businesses find common ground and walk away with a solution that benefits everyone. So next time you hear about commercial disputes, remember it doesn't always mean a battle in court. Sometimes, it's just a calm, productive chat in a room with a mediator. Do you need more information about the basics of commercial mediation? If so, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Also, what do you think about mediation? Does it seem like a potential solution to resolving commercial disputes? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.